Pushpa, flower or fire?
Fire. There's no poo here, but I will show you practically. Oh, it is good. You can watch it once.
Okay.
If you're a fan like me, you can watch twice.
So you like the Allu Arjun more or Samantha more?
If Allu Arjun is there, unfortunately, I cannot concentrate. That's how it is. His swag is next level.
His
Truly next
acting,
level.
that was proven long time back.
Acting and general swag. When he's there on the screen, you can't see anywhere else. That too, when it's a dance. You should have come.
I know, but I didn't, as I said, I had cold, right? So I didn't want to be in a theatre. So I didn't want to be in a theatre with AC and all. I'll go later when it's fully subdued, hardly 10-15 people in the crowd. Tell me, you are probably 2 years senior of me.
YouTube.
YouTube లో సో సీనియర్స్ నుంచి జూనియర్స్ అప్పుడప్పుడు టిప్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి.
ఫస్ట్ రైడింగ్ చేస్తాను. రైడింగ్ చేస్తా.
వాట్ డూ యూ లైక్ సో ఫార్ అండ్ వేర్ డూ యూ థింక్ ఐ కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్?
Improvement, I think you have to try connecting to the audience more.
Okay.
Because when I see your video, what you feel is connect is missing. It is there definitely, but that can be improved.
Okay.
And yeah, restaurant is good.
From yesterday's group, I think only Shiva is left, but Shiva, you don't need to ask, he's always positive. We have excited.
I'll give you one tip, or not tip, or my feedback about your videos. Try to add more expressions.
Okay.
So when you say something, you are like
Very easy.
you are like a professor. I'm eating. You'll be like, for example, I'm eating my sandwich, which is very nice. It has a lot of mayonnaise and there are French fries with that. Okay? Oh, amazing sandwich. That expression is correct.
That emotion. So my face is very non-emotive, so robotic. And if you see my videos before mid of 2020, actually, it was worse. It was worse because I was very camera shy. So for all the people also starting, even he was initially camera shy. I remember the first video, but I think it comes.
First 1 year I was shy.
It comes naturally for you. For me, it took time to see myself in the camera, get comfortable, and emotions in general. I think by nature you are more emotive, so it takes time. But I completely agree with that. Diet sandwich.
Even a light, we are waiting for the ride.
Happening now this week.
It will happen.
This
3-4 days we are gone. Then check out touch wood.
Omicron tension లేమీ లేకపోతే
అట్లీస్ట్ నైట్ రైడ్ అయినా పోతారు.
కర్ఫ్యూ నాన్న, ఆల్ డే రైడ్స్ ఓన్లీ. So this is how we plan rides. Sit at a coffee shop, figure out the rules and what is allowed.
ఎక్కువైతుంది రైడ్ తక్కువైతుంది.
నేను వెళ్ళారా? నేను వెళ్ళా.
I planned that ride.
నా ఇయర్ చెక్ అయిపోయింది.
I planned that ride first.
So no, but this time we'll do anyway 4-5 day ride. But target location confirmed or?
No, we'll decide on the way.
Okay.
Toss.
Shiva వస్తున్నాడు నా కర్మకి. Getting feedback from your friends, family and also public, if it's public facing work like mine, is very important on your path to improvement and growth. So I always want to constantly get feedback so that I can improve. I've been trying a lot on that front, and I think you can see the change. If you're new to this channel, go check out the previous videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you like them, because that's what motivates us to do better. Anyway, as I said, we are planning a ride. And some of you in the comments in the previous video were mentioning about this background. I want to convert this into a studio for YouTube, but it's gonna take time and money. For now, please bear with it. We'll try to refresh the background as much as possible. But anyway, the reason I'm here in this room is the bags are packed, and that's my tank bag, and these are the panniers that I'm gonna take for the trip. Same way that I packed for the Kana National Park with the ride that I went with Panda. And in case you haven't seen that video, the link's here. Helmets all ready. Change the visor to pin lock because it's cold. There might be a lot of fog. So the one with the pin lock, but there are a lot of scratches on it, so might have to upgrade later on. But that's the third visor I have for maybe fourth visor, including the scratches on the first one. Anyway, the riding gear is all set. Charged up all the accessories. Unlike before, we're planning to start early as 3 a.m. so that we can reach Bangalore by 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. so that we would have full day to maybe explore and work in Bangalore. Because I'm still working in Bangalore, I need to edit this video, and by the time you see, we'll have Instagram stories up. So in case you haven't been following me on Instagram, the link's here. And first stop would be Bangalore. The next stop would be, let's see, on the go, because I don't want to take all the suspense away right now, because we're gonna do some interesting rides. We have been to this location before, so keep guesses. Bangalore bole to there are multiple locations in and around Bangalore. Chalo, I need to sleep because it's already 10:30. We would have only what, maybe 5 hours of sleep, which is good enough. So we'll go to my room, sleep early if possible, because it's gonna take at least half an hour, 1 hour for me to sleep, even if though I go to the bed, because we've been used to sleeping at 12, 1, and getting about 2 to get ready is gonna be challenging, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So some feedback for new travelers or new riders who want to travel or start traveling is, get your original documents, license and RC, take tablets, pack your clothes, take one spare cloth more than the days that you would need, and pack very compact. Pack seriously only the stuff you need. And what else? Have a smile while you're traveling, because you're going there to enjoy, right? That's the only tip I would give to fellow travelers. So see you guys on the road tomorrow. Chalo, bye bye. Just increase the preload with the luggage and you're all set to go. One thing that's kind of tricky in the morning is not just getting up, but the dogs, street dogs, man, they were chasing near my home like madness. Had to accelerate so fast. Sometimes they say if you don't accelerate and go, it's fine, but there were like at least 15 of them, so I was not sure, but madness. Anyway, first stop, fuel break as usual, you know the stuff, and then we'll catch up with Shiva. Sriman is gonna join somewhere at the end of ORR on the Bangalore highway. That's the plan. And one thing I really enjoy riding about nighttime or early morning in the city is just the traffic. I mean, getting out of city from my place to ORR would probably take at least half an hour to 40 minutes. Now it would happen in like 10 minutes. There was a huge crash here like few days back. Man, that was a scary crash. Like, I think a truck on the opposite side, or on this side I guess, had some mechanical issue, so went over across that road, tilted to the side, took down 2 cars. Luckily no one is harmed or injured, they're all doing fine, which is the most important thing. Manogna was complaining about cold when she stepped out, and I felt my house was warmer, but it's what, maybe 15 degrees right now in Hyderabad. With the Gore-Tex gear, I hardly feel anything. Mind you, there are vents to make this more like a mesh jacket, so not a big deal, but chalega. Full tank.
Full tank.
Full.
Full करना है ना.
What's up? Finally after Leh?
पर ले ना.
మరి నువ్వు లే తర్వాతే కదరా రైడ్కి వస్తుంది.
Finally up for Leh అంటే I thought we are going to Leh now.
వెళ్దాం.
Okay, change of plans, huh? Okay.
పద. బుకింగ్స్ నువ్వే కదా చేసింది. మెల్లగానే పోదాం, 30లో పోదాం. అరే బా, ఇక్కడ RX 100 చేసిండ్రా GSని. Shiva is so excited, he's not even visible in front of me. మెరుపుతిగా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు. స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్లు అస్సలు T120 మీదే ఆగలే, ఇంక ఈ GS మీద ఏం ఆగుతాడు. 23,339 kilometers हो गया. Maybe in this trip I'll finish 25,000 on this bike. 30 minutes we are on the Bangalore highway, the end of ORR. Best exit for Shiva and me. If we have to go to Nagpur and all, that's long here. Oh, probably towards Bombay. towards Mumbai highway, I think we'll have the quickest ORR exit. Hi man. Hello. After Leh, first ride I guess. Tank reserve level reached, and we have covered 225 kilometers from my home in roughly 2 hours 40 minutes. Just stop here for a nice lovely chai. Aha Irani cafe. Subscriber. Hungry hai, but we have to stop for fuel and then breakfast. 7 o'clock na? Too early for breakfast. Not many are open. Just sunset deck. Madness. Sunset end now on the sunrise.
బండి 10 లక్షలు అంటే
కార్ వెళ్ళేటే వెళ్తుంది కదా మరి.
కార్ కానీ పోతుంది ఏంటంటే నా భద్రంగా ఉండాలా
అంతేగా.
మాకు 10 లక్షలు ఉన్నాయంటే పల్లెటూరులో ఒక ఇల్లు తయారైతుంది.
ఎవరు దాల్దా అంతే. ఇంకా
బెంగళూరు హైదరాబాదా బెంగళూరు హైదరాబాదా
బెంగళూరు పోతున్నాం. జాగ్రత్త. Not so quick, but decent breakfast at Amazon's Kitchens. Almost 1 hour break हुआ रे. We stopped for 1 hour. Like there are no more big breaks, just maybe coffee, tea, and then Bangalore. So probably 4 hours, 5 hours max. So do you recommend Amazon's Kitchen for breakfast, guys? Yeah, works. Quick stop. Bill enta indi? 300 for 3 puri, 2 dosa, 1 idli and coffee. We have 3 different GS bikes. GS-A, GS 1250, GS 850. I think full BMW collection of GS bikes. I have a weird habit of range testing everything that I ride or drive. Like there is only 21 kilometers of range, and we are somewhere like 150 kilometers away from Bangalore. We are finding petrol bunks, but some of them are closed. So not sure about the ones that you see, but luckily you can see the petrol board signs quite high in the sky, so easily visible from a long distance. Let's hope there is petrol here. Looks like it's a genuine bunk, but the lowest I've gone to test this is 0. This doesn't look like it has. It's open. See, this is what I was talking about. This is the third bunk that's happening. Whenever you see tank reserve reached, just go get petrol. This is a thing that I keep telling myself, but I don't follow it somehow. Just false confidence that you get petrol everywhere. See, people tell it's hard to drive EVs on the highway, even for petrol vehicles sometimes. It's tough. Petrol కావాలి. ముందు ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా? ముందు ఉందా? లెఫ్ట్లో ఉందా? రైట్ సైడ్ ఉందా? అక్కడ దొరుకుతుందా? ఇండియన్ ఆయిలా? SR? Thanks Anna. So they're saying there is one SR bunk on the right where you might find fuel. Maybe COVID had a hit, that's why most of these are shut. I mean, worst case scenario, I can take fuel from Sriman's tank. There is so much fuel there. Only 95 kilometers to Bangalore. So we'll find something soon. Not a problem. ఏంది అన్ని పెట్రోల్ బంకులు బంద్ ఉన్నాయి?
అక్కడ రేట్ జాస్తి ఉంది కదా.
రేట్ వస్తుందా? ఇదేంది కర్ణాటక కింద వస్తుందా? నాయుడుపేట. ఎంత ఉంది ఇడ? ఓ 10 రూపాయలు తేడా ఉంది. We started at 4:30. Supposed to reach, we thought we'll reach there by 11:30 at the worst case scenario, but when you look at the stats, we had a ride time of 6 hours and a break time of 2 hours. The break time killed it. So, and now the last stretch is the most irritating stretch because you have to do average of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour. This is EV speeds, not bike speeds. At least the mileage will improve because so far I'm getting 16.6 kilometers per liter from Hyderabad to Bengaluru. First mileage ever. So this is the extra bed that we're having, just a single room. 3 people in one room, all the mess. We are with our laptops out because we got some work to do.
Always.
The editing house, powerhouse. Got some nice tea and look.
చెప్పలేము ఇంకా
But the presentation, like, you see?
Hey, biscuits.
Yes, fancy biscuits. They forgot mentioning if they are eggless or not, but
నేను చెప్తా కొంచెం చాయ్ పోసి తాగి పెడతా
చాయ్ పెడతా
టేస్ట్ కూడా చెప్తా ఎగ్లెస్ కాదు చెప్తా
బిల్ ఇస్తా కట్టి పెడతా
కట్టేసాక పొద్దున
నాకు సంబంధం లేదు
ఎట్లేస్తా
వ్యూ ఈజ్ pretty good. I don't think you can see much here, but that's just the Yeshwanthpur metro line. Pretty hot there. No plans for today, just chill, work, maybe later explore Bangalore food scene in the evening, like Open Dosa, MTR, Vidyarthi Bhavan. Let's see, 10 o'clock say, 5 o'clock in the morning there is Bandh, curfew, so we can't go out for long, so we have to be back by 9. And tomorrow also we're leaving early morning to our next destination. You might have to wait to know what that destination is though. Okay, Siva, open the thali. I am wondering how they pack the thali. Adhere open chera
Thali open.
I'm ordering veg noodles with Manchurian. ఈ హోటల్కి ఏమైనా అయితే సెక్యూరిటీ డిపాజిట్ నాకు షేర్ అయ్యొద్దు.
బాగుంది కదా ముందర చూడరా
అమ్మో వీడు నడిపితే అలా. So this is from Priyadarshini restaurant. There's open dosa is actually good. Last time I tried.
ఓపెన్ దోసనా
మన బెన్నె దోశ లాగా ఉంటుంది. బెన్నె దోశ లాగా ఉంటాయి. అయితే వాడు చచ్చిపోతాడు.
వద్దురా
వద్దా?
బతకని ఇంకొచ్చి ఒక
అంటే తింటానికి చచ్చిపోతాడు అంటున్నారా? తింటే బాగా పద్ధతిగా ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాం.
కెమెరా ఆన్ చేసాను.
మేనర్స్ వచ్చాయా?
ఆర్టిస్ట్ బయటకు వస్తుంది.
ఆర్ట్ వస్తే చాలు, ఆర్టిస్ట్ వద్దు.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఏమో చూపిదాం ఒకటి
డబ్బా
స్వీట్ యాడ్ ఆన్ గులాబ్ జామున్.
స్విగ్గీ ఫుడ్ ఇచ్చారు. నేను ఏం ఆర్డర్ చేసి మర్చిపోయా.
ప్రాన్
చికెన్ విత్ కార్న్ ఫ్రైడ్.
ఓ జామున్
గులాబ్ జామున్ ఇది
మంచూరియా నూడిల్స్
జామున్ చెప్పినా
ఖాళీ కూడా చెప్పా.
Charan, always you like noodles. Anywhere you go, you have noodles all the time.
Yeah, I thought of going for rice. అరే వీడి థాలీ చూసా ఎంత ఉందో.
చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉందా రైస్?
అది రైసా?
నీ రైస్ నీ కర్రీ
సైజ్ ఏంటి, కింద గేట్ ఏంటి, కింద డబ్బర్ ఏంటి,
అది అన్నం.
And we also have double khamita.
So that's my roti.
అనవసరంగా కర్టీన్ ఆర్డర్ చేసాను.
We also have
ప్లేట్ ఇచ్చాడు.
amazing
Perfect.
gulab jamun.
అమేజింగ్ గా కడితే తెలీదు.
Amazing.
Looks amazing
to me. But this is how we became gulab jamun.
ప్లేట్ ఫుల్లీ ప్యాక్డ్,
Especially in
travel
nights,
plate.
We go and we keep ordering stuff like this and
టుడు.
ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ నేను ఇంత అన్నంతో తిన్నా.
ఇది అన్నవా? అరే ఇది ఓపెన్ చేస్తే చాలా వస్తుందేమరా.
me and Sharon ordered from the bulk company, but Shiva wanted full-fledged meals because today he didn't eat anything.
పాపడ్ ఒక్కటి ఇరక్కుండా బాగా వచ్చిందిరా.
ఉన్నారా బయటికి అతడు సినిమాలో
రాబిట్.
సో 1 2 3 కర్రీస్, రైస్, పాపడ్, గులాబ్ జామున్.
పర్ఫెక్ట్.
let's
Set. Let's dive in.
సెట్.